Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to pause your Shopify store by using password protection. So Shopify does not have a direct pause button, but this method lets you temporarily block visitors from entering your store while keeping your settings and data in place. So to start, I want you to open your Shopify admin panel, and from the menu on the left side, click Online Store. And once this section opens, select Preferences, and this is where you can manage some of the settings for how your store appears online. Next, look for the password protection option and then turn it on. And after enabling it, enter a password that will be used to access the store. So this means regular visitors will now be able to enter unless they know the password. You can also add a short message for anyone who visits your store while it is protected. For example, you can simply let them know that the store is temporarily unavailable or being updated. So this helps visitors understand why they cannot access the store. So once everything is ready, click Save to apply changes. After saving, anyone who visits your website will see the password page instead of your normal store. So only people with the password will be able to enter. And that is how you can temporarily pause or deactivate access to your Shopify store using password protection. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.